Kelly Burns, been with Brown's since 2011, was our first restaurant. We currently have 13. I've been doing this since 2005 with other brands, but we got involved with Brown's in 2011. Patio space is just necessary in the restaurant. I don't necessarily believe in our climate in Saskatchewan that it adds guests all the time. What it does though is it gives them an option for a patio, one. Two, with our enclosed patios, our busiest times of the year are fall and spring, so shoulder seasons. So enclosing a patio, that's when they add the seats. The middle of summer, not necessarily. It gives people the option of sitting inside or outside. So they're crucial for our business for sure. I believe that we need patios no matter what, to that extent, whether they're interior, exterior. This is obviously an enclosed one, or whether they're Lumon and screened in. So obviously the cold, bitter winters, and losing those 50 to 60 to 70 seats in the winters, we can't seat them. Obviously Lumon gives us that flexibility to seat the shoulder seasons. When it's minus 50, it's minus 50. No one really cares about sitting on the patio, but when the sun's shining and we get a ton of sunlight in the winter out here, they operate as almost a greenhouse effect, and they get really warm in there, and it enables us to seat those patios, also keeping them clean and desirable to seat. So I think the heat retention is better than the screens. The noise, you don't hear the screens bouncing back and forth off the wind. Obviously, you don't hear the glass, bouncing back and forth off the wind, whereas you will with the screens. I think people don't know what they're looking at for the most part. It's not a super common product. It's not a super common product out here anyway. The feedback of our staff and of the Liberty Kitchen in Saskatoon is it's a very clean look. They see glass and they think windows. They don't actually understand the whole system and how it works and how it slides and opens up and creates that indoor-outdoor space within a few seconds. So it's kind of a no-brainer for us, with the fall and spring being our biggest times of the year, to enclose that patio space if it's available with the product. It definitely pays off in the end. So.